KSB, and I wanted to come on and personally invite you all to do a quarantine and detox challenge with me. We want to encourage you guys to put down the snacks, though they may be tempting, and grab a detox kit. So guys, here's how you join. You tap the link in the description bar below this video and grab your detox kit. After you grab your detox kit, go ahead and DM me on Instagram at KSB Bombshell, and I will send you all a meal plan, plus you'll have access to our group. And also, there will be prizes for this challenge. First place is $500 cash. Second place, a free detox kit. Third place, a full-size Nutra Burst. These are the rules. You must place your order by April 11, 2020. Take a before picture and or weigh yourselves. Post a picture on May 1st, 2020. Tag me in your photo at KSB Bombshell, and you must order 2 products with proof of purchase. Make sure that you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I upload a new video.